Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to share some little bit of information to say why I almost sold my new V863 for Sony cameras speedlight. This video is not to say don't buy this Godox V860 or don't buy this Sony A6400. No, it's none of that, but you need to aware of this because maybe you can experience it yourself. Maybe you are doing like event photography and there's no time for you to really focus more on what is going on your system. So this thing almost made me think that after that shoot I was going straight to marketplace and sell this V860 because I wasn't sure if it's a V860 that had a problem or it's my camera that I was using that had a problem. I just want to highlight this. I panicked because what was happened while I was taking pictures, while I was in the venue for taking pictures of that event. So I was really panicking on this speedlight to see why is misfiring. I was almost losing hope to see what I'm going to do because it's dark and I have to use this flash, and the flash was misfiring. I was turning my camera on and off. Maybe I turn it on, it fires once, and I turn it off and I turn it on again, it fires once and it stops. Lucky I noticed what was wrong. I just sat down and tried to find some solutions to say maybe I took my phone, go straight to like internet, like to check some things like why is this flash is not firing, why is misfiring, because I'm panicking right now. And I tried to check YouTube videos as well to see maybe I can find a quick solution for this. Indeed, I watched some few videos. People were saying no, you have to make sure that your camera is not in a silent shooter, of which I did find the settings for the silent shooter, but mine was already was turned off, so it was not on anyways. So I wondered what I tried those settings the people were recommending and it was not possible. It was not doing anything. Enough about that, because I know people like they are looking for solution. They are not looking for stories of me to say I was panicking or what. But anyways, enough about that. Let me just show you what happened. I just inserted my speed light like this, turn it on. As you can notice the sound. Unfortunately I don't have a card, but you will be able to see what I'm talking about. So let me just try. Okay, it's firing. As you can see, it's firing. So what happened that day is that I did not push the flash inside the hot shoe enough. You see the flash is moving a little bit. That indicates that it was not inserted correctly, or I did insert it correctly, but since I was moving up and down, maybe it moved a little bit, or it was not locked using this lock. Maybe it was not locked. I don't know what happened really, but I was trying to take pictures and you see it was doing like this. You see there's no flash now because it moved a little bit from here, from the hot shoe. The connection between the flash and the camera via the hot shoe was not connecting properly. You see it shifted a little bit. So guys, I just want you to be careful because this thing really did me very bad. So make sure that when you are using your flash, your V860, especially when you are pairing it with the Sony, make sure that push it so much that it does not leave any space between the horseshoe and the flash mount. And now you can see if I try to twist, the flash is not moving. And make sure that you lock your flash in a place so that it doesn't move in a way. But you see now it's flashing now because it's connected properly. So make sure you keep on checking your connection between your camera and speedlight. So guys, I hope this video helped you to make sure that you are not experiencing what I've experienced, because if this happens and you don't know and it's for the first time, you may struggle a lot. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. If you are enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications, and also comment below. Maybe I can assist somehow whatever you are experiencing, and see you on the next one.